Hello, hello, hello. This is Alana Murphy coming at you with the final exercise of business analytics. This is exercise 10. I am on the team Tesla, and let's get into it. So exercise 10 asked us to use Mural to complete the following two tasks within our team. So first, we're supposed to create an empathy map for your group project, and then create a storyboard using Mural's storyboard template and describe how the targeted users may experience our business analytics objects or dashboards. So this is our empathy map, and momentarily I will segue into going to Mural's website and showing it to you so I can blow it up a little bit so that it's a little bit bigger for you to read. And then here's our storyboard, which I will do the same with now. So going into Mural, here are our three exercises. So we're going to start with our empathy board. So this empathy board, it's kind of a tool that our team could have used to better understand how our research would impact people most directly involved to the subject matter. So first, it asks, what do they hear? So our team thought that they could hear open communication amongst our group and our research, how it kind of delved and dived and modified into a different topic, and videos about Tesla. There's a lot of media out there about Tesla, and so the people benefiting from this research, they might have a predetermined bias or understanding of what Tesla truly is. So all of that kind of white noise that comes from their publicity is probably like on their mind, but who are we empathizing with? So our what we wanted to delve into the most was the future of our planet, and who that affects the most are future generations who might be impacted by greenhouse gas emissions or the destruction of forests, stuff like that. And then understanding the buyer persona. So identifying Tesla's key consumer group and what they want to see out of a car, where they want to get that car, etc. And then we're going to look at what do they need to do. So in order for our research to be rolled out properly, what we need to do is build a clean energy infrastructure across the nation and hopefully across the globe. So just encouraging people to really lean into driving clean cars and building charging stations and production facilities with the capacity to create EVs is going to help this be rolled out much more smoothly. Also conducting additional research regarding recycling of EV batteries. We couldn't find any research on this, so any research people could conduct would be beneficial to future researchers in identifying and analyzing this problem. And then what do they see? They see a concise research board and a brighter future. And now we're gonna hop over, for time's sake, to the pains and gains. So the fears and frustrations and anxieties, these can stem from a multitude of things, but we identified two, such as running out of gas. We're very energy dependent, and melting ice caps, rising temperatures, stuff like that is very troublesome for the people of Earth, and hopefully something that can change in the future. Gains, energy independence as a foil to this one over here, and the slow rising of temperatures as a foil to this one over here. So next, let's look at our storyboard. One moment. My internet's being a little slow. Okay, here we go. So here's our storyboard made from the Mural template. So at the top, we can see the three groups accessing our SAS via dashboards, an overall research project. So one, we can break this down as executives. So Tesla executives, they'll want to view our data and our analysis. First person that comes to mind would be Elon Musk. We plan to have meetings with Tesla executives. They can hear about the data we researched. We will give them access to the SAS via dashboards via their emails. So they can go through the data on their own as well, maybe bring to us some fresh ideas that they might have, some things that they might want to change to better align with their business strategies. And the executives will see a path for Tesla that leads to a more sustainable company, more accessibility for customers, and a greater revenue for the company. So next, we have customers. Customers have a larger awareness of their impact on the environment and want to purchase electric vehicles, but are hesitant due to price and the supercharger accessibility. They will learn more information we have discovered through Tesla's social media channels. As we know, Elon Musk just bought Twitter and has been discussing his different companies on there. So he could be a great way to kind of disseminate that research and get it to the people that need to see it. Customers will purchase Teslas and know they are working towards a more sustainable future. And customers will be happy knowing they have helped towards a greener and better future. And lastly, we have companies building superchargers. So this will probably be conducted by a third-party company. And a lot of different facets are going to go into creating these, such as public planning committees. So in each places that they're put into place, there's going to be work with the municipalities in place there, local construction companies, and also Tesla engineers. So the specific construction crews, they'll want to know our data to know where to build these supercharger stations. And we'll tell them this information through business meetings and work together to make a plan to add more supercharger stations. Through business relationships, the construction companies will earn more revenue and will also gain more revenue through the increase in supercharger stations across the country, which will increase our sales of Tesla because people understand that it is a consistent and efficient way to travel. And then lastly, exercise 10 part 2 asked us to use the use cases for our final project to complete the Kanban board. And this implements Agile, Scrum, and Kanban. So we can see here is our Kanban. So let's zoom in again. So the Kanban board asks us to track tasks and create sticky notes for the tasks on our to-do list and add them to the backlog column, moving the sticky notes into other columns to show their current status. So the backlog, currently we have none. Up next, we're going to celebrate because we've actually finished our research and analysis on this topic. But in progress, we currently have the report and oral presentation. So as the report's not quite due yet, we're wrapping that up now. We present tomorrow. So once those are done, we can get those off our docket and move them to the done column. And in the done column, we currently have our creating descriptive dashboard, predictive dashboard, and prescriptive dashboard. Blocked, we have exercise 9. This was an assignment that our professor took out of our coursework. So it no longer is on the docket, and we can focus on our other in-progress action items. Here is that in the presentation. Anyway, that's all. Celebrate, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.